Hi everyone, and welcome to a really quick breakdown of the Korean/glueless lash lift technique. You're going to start off by cleansing the area with Detox, which is going to break down any excess oils, fatty acids and any excess products. And then you're going to lift the lash line into a straight formation, ready for the flat pad to adhere to the eyelids. There is no wrong or right way to do this technique. There are so many different methods and you need to find what works best for you. This method is showing you how to incorporate a balm into your technique. However, this isn't the only way to carry out a Korean or glueless technique. This is one of many. Next, you are going to wrap and roll step 1 onto the lashes. You do need to thicken step 1 with the pink powder, which is a thickening agent. We are using the Browz Cysteamine system here. I would say that this lash lift could have benefited with placing the product slightly higher up the lash length. We really focused on the lower third of the lashes, however, where they were quite coarse and quite stubborn and slightly misaligned, applying the solution up to that halfway to 3/4 length mark would have been more beneficial and also quicker. Once your lashes have broken down appropriately, it's time to apply step 2. So you want to apply your second shield, and you do want to size up as well, and then you want to apply step 2 to the lashes. You do need to check your manufacturer's guidelines for the timings. However, with our system, we do mirror the timings with step 2 that we used for step 1. Once that timer is up, it's time to apply your tint. Our silicone does not stain, so you can actually apply your tint directly to the shields if you want to. After a couple of minutes, you're going to remove any excess product, and then I like to use Heavenly Balm to restore any loss of hydration and moisture. I do like to cleanse the area at the end of the procedure to make sure that there's no reminiscence of any product that can cause irritation. And then I will dry the area out using a fan and lift the lashes up into shape.